guys, how are you all? Welcome to smartbricks.com. Smartbricks.com, as you guys know, is a platform where you get the best tech news, tech updates and reviews. Today guys, we'll be doing a review on Infinix Note 11. Now Infinix might not be a household name, but off lately it's been putting some really good phones there out in the market. The latest one from the brand is its Infinix Note 11. Now this phone comes with a 50 megapixel camera, an FHD plus AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts of charging and an Helio G88 processor. Now your question would be, what else does this phone has to offer? But for that you need to see the complete detailed review that I'll be doing it right now. Before we start with the video, you need to like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have our Infinix Note 11 right in front of us. The packaging looks quite rad and you can see that the highlights of the phone are stamped at the back. Let's just see what's there inside the box. So we have a beautiful handset which comes with a pre-applied screen protector. Then we get a charger along with the Type-C USB cable. Then there's user manual and warranty card. There's a SIM card tool as well, and you get a plastic case as well in the box. So this is all that you get inside the box. Let's just talk about the price and specifications of Infinix Note 11. So guys, let's talk about the Indian price and specifications of Infinix Note 11. Talking about the weight, it weighs around 184 grams. The screen size is of 6.7 inches and it's an FHD plus AMOLED screen with up to 750 nits peak brightness, 60Hz refresh rate, 180Hz touch sampling rate, 100% DCI P3 color coverage and a Gorilla Glass 3. The CPU is MediaTek Helio G88. The RAM storage is of 4GB and the internal storage is 64GB, which can be expanded up to 2TB via dedicated slot. Talking about the cameras, the rear camera is of 50 megapixel main Samsung sensor plus 2 megapixel depth lens. The front camera is of 16 megapixel. Talking about the battery, this phone comes with a battery of 5000 mAh with 33 watts of fast charging and the operating system is Android 11 with XOS 10. The color variants that you get are Glacier Green, Celestial Snow and Graphite Black. Other miscellaneous stuff that you get are Bluetooth 5.0 GPS plus GLONASS USB Type-C, 3.5mm audio jack, FM radio, stereo speakers, DTS surround sound, side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The Infinix Note 11 Indian price is of 11,999. So guys, we spoke about the pricing and specifications of Infinix Note 11. Let's just talk about the design of Infinix Note 11. So इसका design inspiration लेता है iPhone के squared edge of design से, and although it isn't as flat as a pancake, but it's quite easy and light to carry. इसका total weight है 184 grams and thickness है of 7.9 mm. इसका front glass and back glass tapered off है एक बीच में प्लास्टिक के साथ, जो इस फोन को काफी steady बनाता है. At the back you can see that the Infinix logo is there and camera setup है. The camera is quite big and actually gawks at you. So yeah, there's the camera setup at the back. Front में भी एक camera है. On the right hand side of the phone there's the power button and power button के ऊपर ही finger sensor attached है. So अगर आप किसी डार्क एनवायरनमेंट में है या आपके फिंगर्स मॉइस्ट है, सो आपको ये फोन खोलने में या ऑपरेट करने में थोड़ा इशू आ सकता है, थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, बट ज्यादा मेजर प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अबव द पावर बटन देयर इज द वॉल्यूम ट्रैकर व्हिच इज आल्सो अटैच्ड. सो नॉर्मली साइड में होता है बट ये इसके ऊपर ही अटैच्ड है, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंट. ऑन द टॉप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देयर इज द सिम कार्ड टूल व्हिच इज अटैच्ड. And bottom में आप देख सकते हैं that there is a 3.5mm jack slot which is attached, there is a USB slot which is attached and speakers भी नीचे है, इसका microphone नीचे है. So this was it about the design. Let's just talk about the other factors that this phone has to offer. So let's get into the details of the other things. So guys, talking about the performance of Infinix Note 11, Infinix has armed the Note 11 with a MediaTek Helio G88 chip. It is a 12nm chip that incorporates two Cortex A75 performance cores clocked at 2.0 GHz and 6 Cortex A55 efficiency cores running at 1.8 GHz clock speed. It is more or less the same setup as Helio G85 but with some gains on multimedia, connectivity and imaging front. Still, in my time with the phone, it did feel slow in terms of app loading and closing back to the home screen. Speaking of games, above you can see the maximum supported frame rates and graphics on popular titles like BGMI, PUBG New State and Call of Duty Mobile. It also comes with clunky animations and convoluted menus, both of which I can get by. But the raft of bloat and accompanying ads are something I have a hard time accepting. Even the Chrome browser starts with the infinix.servicewebly.com page instead of the default google.com page. While saying so, I understand that your take may differ, so this is purely subjective. But this nagware situation could have an impact on the power efficiency too. Which brings us to the Infinix Note 11 battery. Infinix Note 11 lives on a 5000 mAh battery that is backed by a 33-watt charger. This is a combination of big and fast. Within the settings, you have an option like power boost, ultra power saving, smart scenes, optimized sleep mode and short video, and even a charging completion tone, which I highly appreciate. Okay guys, so let's see how the camera of Infinix Note 11 works. The 50 megapixel camera is all the frenzy right now and Infinix joins the bandwagon. In the camera app, you also get stuff like super night mode, portrait mode, beauty mode, short video mode, full 50 megapixel mode, HDR, Google Lens integration, QR code scanner, etc. As for the front, there is a 16 megapixel selfie snapper that is capable of FHD recording too. The photos come out decent under daylight or good lighting conditions indoors. The 50 megapixel mode results are sharper, the shutter and focus timings could have been faster. Nighttime clicks are more detailed and better exposed in the super night mode. It is quick to process the shots too, which is super convenient. Alright guys, so let's have a final verdict of the Infinix Note 11. So for the asking price of 11,999, this phone is pretty competitive. Also, this phone provides a chic design and it's comparatively lean and lighter than the phone of itself. Some of the top reason to buy this phone is its chic design, the FHD plus AMOLED display, plus the 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts of charging. Also, the 50 megapixel sensor works pretty great in the favorable conditions. The serial system is pretty great as well. Also, the Helio G88 processor is something to look out for. Some of the reasons of not buying this phone is its slow 60Hz refresh panel, plus the camera isn't very versatile. The software is a bit bloated and a bit tacky. Also, you guys can't stream on the OTT platforms at 1080p. But all in all, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, making this phone a worthy consideration under the tag of 12,000 rupees. So guys, I hope that you guys like this video. Also, do like, share and subscribe our channel, and smarttricks.com definitely promises you to get more such amazing reviews. Till then guys, stay safe.